The candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, it is a very good news to you. Why? Because here one of my YouTube channel is designed specially for the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So here all the concepts will be explained in detail, and the PPTs are also available to you to download for quick revision and for quick reading purpose. And this YouTube channel link I am providing in the description box of this video. The candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UGC NET exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UGC NET Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan. And here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here you can see that the UGC published one notice on 6th July 2020 regarding the revised guidelines on examinations and academic calendar for the universities in view of COVID-19 pandemic situation. So here the UGC released when to conduct the academic examinations. That is nothing but revised guidelines. So here I am going to show you. So here it is a notice by the UGC regarding the revised guidelines on examination and academic calendar. So actually the report of the expert committee was considered and approved by the commission in its emergent meeting held on 6th July 2020. So coming to the guidelines, here you can check one by one. Mode of terminal semester or final year examinations 2019 to 20. The universities are required to complete the examinations by the end of September 2020 in offline, pen and paper, or online or blended, online plus offline mode, following the prescribed protocols or guidelines related to COVID-19 pandemic. And next, provision of examination through special chance. In case a student of final semester or the final year is unable to appear the exam conducted by the university for any of the reasons, then to the student, he or she may be given opportunity to appear in the special examination which may be conducted by the university whenever the feasible situation is there, so that the candidate will be the candidate is not put to any inconvenience or the disadvantage. So if the student cannot able to attend the exam conducting by the university, whether he is in final semester or the final year, then the university has to give him chance to conduct the special examination in the feasible time. And this provision is only for the academic session 2019 to 20 as a one-time measure. Coming to the backlog of papers in respect of final year or terminal semesters, the students of terminal semesters or the final year students having backlog should compulsorily be evaluated by the conducting examinations in offline or online or blended, so mode as per the suitability. The guidelines regarding intermediate semester or the year examinations will remain unchanged as notified on 29th April 2020. The relevant details, if need be, pertaining to the admissions and the academic calendar in the universities and colleges shall be issued separately in place of those mentioned in the earlier guidelines issued on 29th. So regarding the fresh admissions and the fresh academic calendar, they will release soon. Okay, that will be issued later. And notwithstanding the above guidelines regarding conduct of examination and commencement of next academic session, every university or the institution has to ensure that it is prepared in all respect to carry out the academic activities following necessary protocols or guidelines, directions, advisories issued by the central or state government or MHRD or UGC time to time in view of COVID-19 situation, right? So these are the details. So for the final year or the final semester candidates, by the September end, the exam is going to happen. and if the student cannot able to come to the centers or couldn't able to attend the exam, then there will be a special examination is provided. So that is the one thing. And intermediate years, that means who belongs to the middle years of the course, that means intermediate semester, intermediate year, the examinations and the guidelines will be unchanged as noticed on the 29th April 2020. Fine. So these are the guidelines, revised guidelines issued by the University Grants Commission on its official website. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues. Why? Because it is very much important to all of them. And for more updates, please subscribe and then tap the bell icon. Thank you.